Okay guys, we are back here at Dollar General, and like I said, we are doing, we're doing the tour. I'm looking for the best prices on some of the best stuff, and you want to know. So come on, we're going to check out the stores, see what's going on, and where you need to go to get the best prices. So on your way in to the video, please like and share and do all those good things like leave the comments, make YouTube happy. And of course, if you're not one of our crazy friends, well, make me happy and yourself later by subscribing. Look below and hit that red subscription button and make sure all your notifications are on, and that way you won't miss any deals, steals, glitches, free stuff, or awesome information that we have here almost every day at Crazee Country Couponer. Alright everybody, as you can see, I'm in the food aisle, and I'm here because we have a sale on the Barilla pasta. It's on sale for $1.50 a box. That's a savings of 80 cents for two. Okay, so you can get two for $3, or you can pick up one. But we also have a $2 instant savings going on still on the Prego sauces, okay? So save $2 on an $8 purchase. Now the Prego home style Alfredo is $4. So two of these with the instant $2 savings will be $7.50, guys. So $7.50, or $9.50 if you get two. But an awesome quick meal. And you could even do, if you do the traditional sauce, you could do the big meat flavored for $4.25 and have a whole meal right there. Alright. We have a price cut on the Carnation evaporated milk, guys, and it's a pretty decent price cut as well. It's 75 cents, and this is not only a good item for your pantry, it's a great emergency food prep item. So pick some of that up while it's on sale. I want you to have a look. The instant savings that used to be just on Kraft items is now on Kraft and Heinz condiments. When you spend $10, you save two on Kraft and Heinz condiments. So these Heinz barbecue sauces, you'll be saving on them as well. Heinz ketchup, right here. And we also have the Kraft salad dressings. Heinz ketchups, the big ones, $5.25. So great savings on all your condiments now, including your mustards. So great savings on your ranch powdered seasonings are on sale 2 for $4. That's $1 savings on 2. Okay, now while we're over here in the laundry department, we've got some information on that $10 off of Gain for 4 Gain items, okay? And I told you in our last video, I guarantee you it was going to glitch somehow. Well, it is. It is not attaching to the dryer sheets, guys, okay? It will not attach to the dryer sheets, but it is attaching to the fabric softeners and the flings, okay? So pick up 2 flings and 2 fabric softeners instead, and your deal should work just fine. And that is these fabric softeners right here for $7.50. And 2 of your $7.50 flings. And you will get your 5 off of 30, and you will get your 10 off for those 4 items. Now you can still do this deal on Saturday and try to get your additional 5 off. Oh, well, I forgot. We've got a 5 off in the middle of the week. If you've got your 5 off of 25, paper or digital. Well, you can do this deal today. Yes. You're going to get a total of $20 off a $30 game purchase. Now that's a winner chicken dinner. We also have a 50% home sale event. 50% off baskets, toss pillows, kitchen towels, dish towels, kitchen organization, and dinnerware. Okay, I'm going to go because I want me one of those little half hot gloves. Let's go see if I can find one. These little things right here. I want to get me one of these. It doesn't seem like these little ones apply. So, I'm gonna wait, I guess. And I will eventually get me one, and I'm not paying $3. Look, guys, 3-day sale on the bath rugs until the 14th. I want you to look at this. These are new items. This thing is huge, and we have a sale going on. Buy one, get one free. These are $20. So you would get 2 of these for $20. And if you use your 5 off of 25, guys, even more savings. Yes. So if you do the Halloween deal, this is a great deal right here. All you got to do is pop your flashlight in there. And, well, have some great Halloween decor. Okay, guys, I'm going to spend my 5 off 25 on groceries this time. So I'll just be saving $5. But I will be saving something. Not to mention the prices are good. Okay, I've got 6 items here. I've got 2 lasagnas. I've got French fries, some turkey, some cheese, some ham, and bread. I'm looking at $19 after everything is said and done, and $1 back in earned, so $18. I think that's an awesome deal. I'm happy with it. Breaks down to $3 an item. So see you again next time, guys, for more deals, steals, glitches, free stuff, and awesome information. Blessings.